Hey guys, welcome back to my shop. My name is Mark. Today I'm going to show you how to do a faux finish on a high-end quality accent chair. Someone painted this thing ugly coral pink. Now the shape is beautiful, the quality is outstanding, the fabric is very nice. Did a great job on the upholstery, but the color, oof, it is ugly. So I'm going to show you how to do like a mahogany faux finish on it. Let's get started. I'll show you what I got. For $10. All right, guys, here she is, the mid-century coral reef Caribbean chair. I'm going to take off the seat if I can. Looks like it's just pulled around under this rail here, stapled on. It's pretty easy to take off. I'll probably tape off the back, the front and the back. Tape it off and paint it a base color, and then paint the wood grain after I sand it and clean it real quick. I'm going to use faux to clean the seats. Fabric, it's in great condition. Whoever had this, took care of it. It's definitely a quality piece of furniture. It's been around for, I'd say, probably from the 50s or 60s, just by looking at the construction of it. It's got serpentine springs in the bottom of it. Originally it was white. Let me show you that real quick. Here it is, the construction of the chair. It's pretty well made. Joints are all nice cut. Flathead screws, serpentine springs, burlap seat. It's definitely a quality piece. So the upholstery part didn't go so well. Somebody used like 5,000 staples in this front rail right here, so I gave up and started to tape it off with blue tape. It's fine, it'll work. Sand it down, nice and smooth. Ready to do my first coat of brown chestnut. There's the numbers. Good quality paint. I'm going to use black glaze for the hang up, and then the fine grain for that, and top coat it with this new brand called Watco lacquer. Got from Walmart. Let's see how that works. It's $10. Let's get to it, guys. There it is. It is brown chestnut, no longer pink. The pink is gone. Ugliness is gone. Next up, we're going to spray black glaze. I'm going to spray the entire piece. Like I showed you in the high-end finish video, spray it all and wipe it all off, so that what remains is the hang-up. All the black glaze will stay in the edges, all the carvings, the moldings, to highlight all of the edges for it. So that's next. I'll show you how to do that. Once that's dry, we will spray the lacquer, the Watco, to seal it up. That's next. Alright guys, come back to watch part 2 of the coral reef mid-century chair. From pink to mahogany. You're going to love it. It's a beautiful chair.